Hello. So today I'll be talking about, just basically I'll be talking about ephemeral container in Kubernetes, right? So this is a feature. It's been, I think, at least two releases now. So what they're exactly trying to do is they are trying to develop a way for you to debug an application without actually running in that application. Let me give an example. In this case, we deployed an Nginx application, right? And in our Nginx application, this is a pod running. Now, the problem is, if Nginx run into an issue, let's say we are in production and we run into an issue, how do we debug the container? Usually what people do is they exec into the container, and once they exec into the container, right, uh, they start, you know, installing tools, blah, blah, blah. What about if you don't have to do that? What about if you actually have another container that has all the tools that you need to debug, and that particular container is able to run as if it's actually Nginx. That means it's able to run with those tools installed in the same context and file system as Nginx. That is what this ephemeral container, that's one problem that they're trying to solve. So I took this for a spin using using kind cluster. So I deployed Nginx and I assumed Nginx was having an issue. So what I did was that I was trying to use this particular container to debug this Nginx um, container. There's a container inside a also called Nginx, right? Inside this pod, you can see from here. So we have the ephemeral container, then we have the main container. This is the container that is having issue. This is the container that I'm trying to use to debug the main container. And how do you inject this debug container? You simply run this kubectl alpha debug, right? I'm trying to debug this container, this target container, and I'm trying to use this particular image for the debugging container. And please name the container Nginx debug, as you can see here. After you've done that, right, you can using this command, you can attach directly to the container, right? Instead of running two steps, but it's also possible for you to attach to the debugger. And when you attach yourself to the debugger, what happens is that everything looks as if you are running within Nginx. Everything looks and feels as if you have this container is running in the same context, file system, processes as this container. You can tell after I exec into my Nginx debugger, which is running with this particular image, which has nothing about Nginx on it, but it has all the tools that I need to debug. When I do PSAUX, it shows Nginx process running. Remember, this image has no Nginx process. The reason why you see this is because the ephemeral container allows us to assume the context of the target Nginx container. We're able to run in the same file system, in the same process namespace, right? We're able to run in the same namespace as this target container. So this particular feature is very useful for people who are trying to debug in production. This is my number one use case. Debug in production. See what is going on in production. So if you have any kind of issue with debugging, you can always call on this guy. Right now, as you can see, it keeps with your support is still in alpha stage, right? But I believe things should be moving into beta and hopefully stable soon. Well, that's it.